Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since my last video on Duino Coin mining using different hardware setups, but today, I'm back with this time, I'll be testing mining performance on the ASUS E210MA, which is running an Intel Celeron N4200 CPU clocked at up to 2.8 GHz, along with 4 GB of RAM. Nothing fancy. To make the setup process quick and easy, I wrote a custom script that prepares the system, installs everything needed, and gets the Duino miner up and running. You can find the script on my GitHub, https://github.com/s. Let me walk you through the steps. First, I downloaded the script using bookit https://github.com/sznetwork/install_script/ros/ref/head/main/duco/install_duco. To save some time in the video, I commented out the system upgrade part, since my OS is already up. Next, I made the script executable. mod plus x install_duco_full.sh. Then I ran it. /install_duco_full.sh. The script automatically checks for system updates. If you leave that part in, installs all required packages, clones the Duino Coin miner from GitHub, compiles it, and gets everything ready to run. Once the miner starts, you'll need to fill in your Duino Coin username, mining key, if enabled, rig name, and design. After setup, the mining process begins. On this ASUS E210MA, the average mining speed is about 7.5 megahash per second. Not bad. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the script on GitHub if you want to. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.